Consumers are beginning to expect more from their baked goods, leaning towards ancient and whole grains over refined wheat products. And what's more, they're willing to pay the extra cost. Whether you're a baker, supplier, or manufacturer in the baking industry, you're going to want to respond to consumers' demand with a well-balanced portfolio of whole and ancient grain products. As with many things worth doing right, there comes a bit of a learning curve. Baking with ancient and whole grains isn't always cut and dry. You might find yourself having to rethink even the simplest formulas. If a baker wants to add whole grains to their breads, the dry kernels will steal moisture from the baked good, causing dryness and a bread that has a shortened shelf life. To ensure baked goods are fresh and moist, the grains need to be pre-hydrated. This can be accomplished through an overnight soaking step that can be costly and time-intense for the bakery, or utilization of a pre-treated grain. At Corbion, we're here to help. We want to fill those gaps and flatten the learning curve for those wanting to implement the use of ancient and whole grains to their baking process. Our pre-treated, ready-to-use portfolio of grain blends make it easier than ever to incorporate the value-added ingredients health-conscious consumers crave. Save time, get more consistently fresh products, and attract nutritious-conscious consumers to your product with Corbion. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date with the latest food trends at thebakerstake.com.